How to fix Spotify payment failed on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you will find here a lot of options. You will just click on apps. On apps, go directly now to uh, Spotify. You open Spotify like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK. Now you have to go back and click on first stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.